depending on your market audience, you could be investor-centric, you could be heavily recruiting on your website, so you might have jobs and career applications that are part of your website, but 99% of the time what you're doing is you're trying to maximize your leads. You have resources out there that users can visit and read. You're building your brand, obviously, but mostly you're focused on trying to capture that information from the user that's interested in your services or your products or your practices. And that's why the website is so central. It's your online portfolio, it's your business basically online. And as users come to the site and they're entering their information, this is their first point of contact usually. And if you're not reaching out to them, this is how they're getting to you.
Yeah, and if you don't keep this data consistent and in a format that you can easily manage through, you're looking at like a customer who goes to your site. Maybe it's not the first time they've been to their site, or it's not the first time they've submitted their information, and how much more of a quality lead that is for you if they've been there multiple times and have submitted multiple inquiries on different aspects, and if it's using different functionality within your website, and that stuff doesn't correlate together. You're missing out on a more quality lead than you might be chasing somebody who's not as a high quality.
And if you're using these CRMs and MATs, customer relationship management systems and marketing automation tools, generally those are your internal employees that are managing the data there. But your website obviously is user focused, so that's where they're coming to enter their information.